Good morning, class. I am so glad you were here today. Today we're going to learn more new math stuff, okay? So, as a reminder of what we're supposed to be doing, we're going to have our pockets on our chairs today, and when I ask you a question, we're going to respond all together. How are we going to respond?
All together.
Awesome, all together. So let's review what we learned yesterday. What's the first step to finding the area of a rectangle, Ben?
You have to find the length and the width.
Awesome, you have to find the length and the width. That's perfect. And what's the second step, Hannah? The second step is to multiply the length and the width together. What's the second step, Hannah?
Multiply the length and the width together.
Good job. Everybody, what's the second step?
Multiply the length and the width together.
Awesome. Great remembering. And then what is our last step, Ben?
You square them.
Close. That's right. We make sure we have units squared. So what's the last step, everyone?
Units
squared.
All right. Now, everyone, will you please do 2 review problems on your paper, and then we will get started with the next part of our lesson. Okay, so 2 minutes has passed. We're good. Okay, so today we will find the area of triangles. What will we do?
Find the area of triangles.
Awesome. When I find the area of a triangle, I follow 6 easy steps. So I have our first problem written here up on the board, okay? First step, I write the formula of the triangle. What do I do for step 1?
Write the formula of the triangle.
Awesome. I write the formula of the triangle. The formula for a triangle is the area equals 1/2 the base times the height. What's the formula for the area of a triangle?
1/2 the base times the height.
Perfect. For the second step, I plug in the number for the base. So the base is this line on the bottom. So I know the base is 9. So I'm going to go the area equals 1/2, and then my base is 9. So what did I do for step 2?
Area times
equals
1/2 times 9.
Close. So the area. So for step 2, I plug in the base. What did I do for step 2?
Plug in the base.
And what was the base?
9.
9. Awesome job. Step 3, now I plug in the height. What did I do for step 3?
Plug in the height.
That's right, I plug in the height. When I look for the height, I look for the number that's up and down. So I will write 3. What is the height?
3.
That's right. For step 4, I multiply the 2 numbers together. What do I do for step 4?
Multiply the 2 numbers together.
Awesome. So I go area equals 1/2, and I know 9 times 3 is 27. What is 9 times 3?
27.
Awesome. For step 5, now I divide it by 2. What do I do for step 5?
Divide it by 2.
Awesome. So then I do 27 divided by 2. Take away our 2. So I know our area is 13.5. So what is our area?
13.5.
Awesome. It's 13.5. For the last step, I write the units squared. What do I do?
Write the units squared.
So for the units, I know they're inches, so I do inches squared. So what is our final area?
13.5
inches squared.
Awesome. All right. We are going to do another problem. When I find the area of the triangle, I follow 6 easy steps. What do we do for step 1?
Area equals 1/2 base times height.
That's right. Can everyone say that together? We write the formula. What do we do for step 1?
Write the formula.
Awesome. And Hannah told us our formula. Area equals 1/2 base times height. So what was our formula?
Area equals 1/2 base times height.
Which is also our first step. Good job. What do we do for step 2?
We plug in the base.
That's right. Can we say it all together?
Plug in the base.
Awesome. So, what is the base for this problem?
8.
8. So I will plug. So we plug in the base. What do we do for step 3?
Plug in the height.
What is the height?
2.
Awesome. So we plug in the height. And what do we do for step 3? Sorry, we did step 3. What do we do for step 4?
Multiply all together.
Multiply the base and the height together. So what do we do for step 4?
Multiply the base and the height together.
Awesome. So what is 8 times 2?
16.
Good job. 8 times 2 is 16. Thank you for all answering together. All right, what do I do for what do we do for step 5?
Multiply.
Oh, could we say it all together?
Multiply 16 and 1/2.
Or I divide by 2. Right. So we divide by 2. What's 16 divided by 2?
8.
So what do I write?
8 equals 8.
Awesome. 8 equals 8. And what is our last step?
Units.
Can we say it all together?
Units squared.
Awesome. I write units squared. So what is our units?
Inches.
Inches. So what is our final answer?
8 equals 8 inches squared.
Our area is 8 inches squared. Awesome. You guys are doing a great job remembering all the steps. All right. We are going to do another one, but I'm going to ask you individually. So when I call your name, will you please tell me the step? So what is step 1, Ben?
Write the formula.
All right. And Hannah, what is our formula?
A equals 1/2 base times height.
1/2 base times height. Fantastic. What do we do for step 2, Hannah?
Plug in the base.
And what is the base, Ben?
6 inches.
Good job. Our base is 6 inches. All right. What do we do for step 3, Ben?
Plug in the height.
Awesome. And Hannah, what is our height?
2 inches.
Awesome job. All right, Hannah, what do we do for step? Where are we at? 4.
Times base and height.
That's right. And multiply the two numbers together. What is 6 times 2, Ben?
12.
Awesome job. 12. All right. What do we do for step 5, Ben?
We multiply 12 by 1/2 or divide by 2.
Awesome. We divide by 2. Hannah, what is 12 divided by 2?
6.
Good job. And Hannah, what is our last step?
Units squared.
That's right. We write our units squared. So what is our units this time, Ben?
Inches
So
squared.
everyone, what is our final answer?
A equals 6 inches squared.
Awesome job. You guys are doing fantastic. All right. Now I'm going to give you guys a chance to work this out. We're going to do the steps one by one. Okay? And I'm going to hand you out your little papers. Okay, so everyone look at their papers. And do the first step on your paper to find the area of the triangle. Oh, sorry, I need pens. Awesome, so we'll give you a second to do that. Good job. All right, Ben, what was our first step we did?
We wrote the formula.
And what is the formula?
A equals 1/2 base times height.
That's right, area equals 1/2 base times height. Good job. All right, now everyone do step 2 on their paper. Good job. I'm sorry, I forgot. Oh. All right, so Hannah, what do we do for step 2?
You plug in the height.
We plug in the base.
Oh, sorry, I thought we were at step
Right.
3.
You plug in the base. So what is the base for our problem?
6.
Awesome. The base is 6. Okay, now everyone do step 3 on their papers.
Okay.
Good job. All right, Ben, what do we do for step 3?
Multiply the base times the height.
Close. That is step 4. First, we have to
Oh.
find the
Height?
height. We have to height. So what do we do for step 3, Ben?
Find the height.
What is the height?
7 inches.
Awesome job. It's 7 inches. All right, now everyone do step 4 on their paper. All right. Hannah, what do we do for step 4?
You times 6 and 7 and 1/2.
So first we multiply the two numbers together. So what do we do for step 4?
Multiply 6 and 7.
Awesome. So what is 6 times 7?
42.
Good job. All right, now everyone do step 5 on their paper to find the area. Okay, Ben, what do we do for step 5?
Divide 42 by 2.
So we divide by 2. Awesome. So what is 42 divided by 2?
21.
21. All right, now everyone do the last step on their paper. It's a quick one. Awesome. Hannah, what is our last step?
Writing the answer.
Writing the answer with
In
what?
units squared.
And units squared. So what was the answer?
A equals 21 units squared. Inches
21
squared.
inches squared. Awesome job. Thank you. All right, now I'm gonna let you guys do this all by yourself. We're gonna do our independent practice. So here's a worksheet of practice problems. Do the first one on your own and put your pencil down when you are done. So for time's sake, we just did independent practice. And so, Hannah, what would our answer be?
Let me look. It is 6
What do we put at the end?
inches squared.
Awesome, 6 inches squared. That's right. So the rest of you will complete the rest of them on your own. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. All right, for time's sake, we're going to skip to the end of the lesson. Pretend that we're done with independent practice. All right, excellent job, everyone. Continue with the practice problems quietly on your paper, and I will walk around and watch you work. Remember to raise your hand if you need help with what I just told you. All right, today we learned to find the area of the triangle. You did very, very well. Thank you for answering together and raising your hand if you had questions. Tomorrow we will review this and we will learn the area of how to find the area of a circle. Thank you for being here.